Listen up, guys. This is very important to note. It's not your scalp. Your scalp is not the problem. The problem is the shampoo that you have been using. It's Miss Gina. It's been a while, but I'm back. If you're new here, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and believe you me, you're in for a treat, because here is where I give you all of my tips and tricks to maintain your beautiful natural crowns, whether you're locked or loose natural. Miss Gina has been a licensed cosmetologist for over 35 plus years, and I am here to help. Today's topic is all about how to avoid and prevent dandruff in locks. All right, so let's jump right into number one. Not enough shampooing, guys. Are you even shampooing your locks? Because if you're letting them sit and you're thinking, oh my goodness, I have a terrible scalp. No, guys, it's your shampoo or your wash routine. Now let's get to the meat of this discussion. Every 7 days is the correct way to shampoo your locks, honestly, to avoid having any scalp flaking, because really, guys, scalp is skin, and it's absolutely going to produce dead skin cells, because that's what it's designed to do. When you sweat, we're talking airborne pollutions, environmental pollutions, you know, honestly, shampooing your hair every 7 days could actually change your life by way of giving you the clearest skin on your face that you've ever seen. So honestly, guys, they're like, and on top of that, let's think about this. A clean scalp is going to grow some hair really fast, because a healthy environment is what is paramount into healthy growing hair. So let's break down what a wash day routine should look like for you. Okay. Check out the graph in back. You know, these are various different curl patterns. And from my experience as a cosmetologist, I truly believe that the looser the curl pattern of hair, the more frequent the shampooing. Yes, what does that really mean to you? All right, guys, let's break it down. Your hair, finer texture, that mixed hair, that baby hair, that so-called, quote-unquote, hard to lock, can't be locked hair, but yeah, you do have locks now, right? And you're just wondering, like, what am I doing wrong? My scalp's flaking. Well, I'm gonna tell you this. Let's amp up the wash day routine for you guys just a bit, okay? So if your curl pattern may be somewhere around, like, we're looking at maybe 1A, 2, 3B, you know, you're thinking about maybe a 5-day wash cycle. Yeah, believe it or not. Why would you want to do that? Because think about this, guys. Finer hair literally doesn't hold on to the oil as long as the root of a curly hair. Okay? Simple thing like this. Look at it like this. The oil is coming around a windy track when you have a lot of curl in your curl pattern, okay? So what's gonna happen is that oil has to go around all those loops before it actually ends up on the top of your scalp. All right, finer hair, less curl pattern. The oil is going to have a very easy time slipping right up to the top and land on top of the scalp. This is going to make people with finer hair have an oily scalp much more faster and need a wash a bit more frequently. So hence my suggestion, a 5-day wash cycle if you have anywhere from 1A to maybe 3B hair, okay? Anything beyond that, a 7-day wash cycle should be fine. And believe you me, you'll literally see this crustiness disappear. For you guys that are on the other spectrum of things, tighter curl pattern, right? No, I don't want you to believe that you never have to shampoo your locks, because that could quite definitely is going to be the demise of a healthy scalp. All right, so listen up, guys. If you are anywhere let's go 3B to like 4C, definitely a 7-day shampoo routine is going to help with so many things that you're probably incurring right now if you've let your locks sit, okay? it's not the thing to do. Even if you have like 4C hair, it still needs to be shampooed. For me, what I like to do is shampoo my hair every 7 days. You know, I'm about a 4C too, just like you out there watching this right now. And believe you me, every 7 days, when I shampoo my hair, it allows me to release any oils and remove any dead skin off my scalp. So there's no flaking. And so we're gonna slide right into number 2, guys. And this is a really big deal. Ingredients are everything in your shampoo that you use. Like, believe you me, a detergent-filled shampoo is gonna be the #1 cause of your scalp being inflamed and irritated. And if your shampoo of choice happens to have perfume, fragrance, or any type of alcohol in it, that's just gonna further irritate your already inflamed scalp. So like I used to tell all my clients when I was standing behind the chair looking at their scalps inflamed, irritated, and red when they came to me for the very first time. And I would carefully and gently explain to them what I'm about to tell you now. So listen up, guys. This is very important to know. It's not your scalp. Your scalp is not the problem. The problem is the shampoo that you have been using. See, Miss Gina shampoos are her every 7 days. #1, my shampoo that I use does not shrink my hair, because that's a big problem out there. You know, people already saying like, shampoo your locks every 7 days, my locks are gonna shrink up. My heart goes out to you, but guess what? You don't have to worry about that. Follow me now. Now, if you're gonna shampoo your hair 7 days, every 7 days without fail, you're also gonna wanna definitely enjoy how this shampoo makes your hair feel. Because a lot of times, again, why we're not shampooing our hair in a 7-day cycle is because our hair gets really, really dry. Now, that's gonna be because of all the actual toxic ingredients that's involved in the makeup of the shampoo you may be currently using. So again, if you're having a flaky scalp, if you are having dandruff, this information right now that I'm about to give to you is gonna absolutely help you to avoid this, okay? Beware of toxic chemicals, beware of detergents and shampoos. Take a look at what you're finishing your locks with, you know, the maintenance part, the retwist part. But honestly, it really does start first with a timely shampoo. You gotta have a timely shampoo routine, and then you gotta have a very good shampoo. And that's why I created my lock care kit. It has everything you need to maintain your locks. The shampoo will leave your locks hydrated, moisturized, and clean. Okay guys, your scalp refreshed, cleansed. Your locks will not be overstripped, they will be moisturized by the shampoo. It contains amazing ingredients like cold pressed olive oil. Guys, honestly, we have a leave-in conditioner. All locks need to be conditioned, no matter if you are a 1A or a 4C. The conditioner is leave-in, so it allows you to shampoo and condition in a timely fashion. This ain't gonna take all day. And then, of course, we have a hydrating oil. It's so amazing, guys. We have a lock maintenance oil in our lock care kit, and I encourage you to use a little bit to maintain your locks daily, and definitely a few drops into your scalp right after shampooing. And of course, there's a lock pomade that replaces any mousse or gel that you've been using on your locks prior to this YouTube video. We have a pomade which is alcohol-free and fragrance-free. These are the things that can also be causing your scalp to have dandruff and flakes, and also be irritated. So we've put essential oils into our lock care kit, and all of our products will help you to benefit greatly by healing and calming your peeling and flaking scalp, repairing the damage to your locks that's been done by other detergent-based shampoos, and make your locks soft and moisturized. You can purchase these products at www.houseofisis.co or at our YouTube store. I hope you enjoyed these lock care tips. See you next time, and be well. Bye.